Hello, today at SLE Equipment we'll be looking at this custom 8.5 by 16. Now looking at this trailer, it does have a triple tube tongue. There's a generator platform. We can see our breakaway cable, power plug for the lights and brakes. Got a front coupler, jack and jack foot, our safety chains. There's a power plug on the front of the trailer to plug the trailer into power. And that'll be for a 50 amp power cable. I went ahead and turned on the 12 volt lights so we can see those are lit up. So it has two 5,200 pound axles, steel wheels with radial tires. Now, looking at it, the center caps on these have rubber fittings. These are removable. When you remove these, you'll be able to get to the fitting behind it to grease the axles. This trailer is white with blackout trim. It has a screwed exterior. On the back, we can see a spare tire mount. Now the trailer lights are LED. We can see our license plate bracket and light. On the passenger side of the trailer, there's a 36-inch side door with bar lock. It also has an RV style flush lock. So what we'll see is there's going to be a lock for the handle and then a lock for the deadbolt. So on the inside here, we can see the internal deadbolt. It's a safety flyaway chain for the door. When stepping in the trailer, there's a recessed step to make it easier. The trailer flooring is aluminum tread plate. We can see the fender wells on the inside here. This trailer has an AC and heat unit. Now this trailer on the inside is aluminum. Turn around so we can see the front. So up towards the front of the trailer, there's a 3-drawer set on both the driver and passenger side of the trailer. And there's like a built-in counter as well. And then underneath that, we can see the power panel, the battery box, the fuse panel, and then the battery charger. This trailer does have miscellaneous outlets on the inside. When you first walk in the trailer, the light switches for the trailer are right inside. Go ahead and turn those off. And then we can see the included power cable. There we go. And once the bar lock's in place, if you had a padlock, you could also put just a padlock across there for some additional security. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, you can give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you here at SLE. Thank you. Have a nice day.